Subscribe Miss English. Miss English welcomes you all to her class. So let's start this English adventure. Today I will give you a brief introduction of English language. Do you know one thing? There are 195 countries in the world. And out of 195 countries, 67 countries use English as their official language. Other than this, English language is spoken mostly all over the world. English is a West Germanic language of the Indo-European language family, with its earliest forms spoken by the inhabitants of early medieval England. It is named after the Angles, one of the ancient Germanic peoples that migrated to the island of Great Britain. That's why it's called English. Today we had an introductory class on English language. My next class will be for the beginners. It will be for the people whose native language is not English. Can you guess what would be my first topic for the beginners and the people whose native language is not English? Till then, bye. Have a nice day.